ranked #1 in terms of tax compliance. And tax compliance means in terms of how much you are able to comply with the law in remitting your taxes amongst all the other counties. And again, proud very much of my team, and we congratulate them. We know we've put a lot of pressure on them, but we are very happy that we have consistently managed to maintain that standard, and we are very grateful, and also for the recognition, because sometimes we comply but people do not recognize. It's not easy. Some of the taxes are quite taxing, but we have tried very much to comply to the letter, and today I think everybody can see the fruits that have come forth, that we have been recognized as being first in terms of tax compliance amongst all the counties in Kenya. And we encourage everybody to continue with that spirit in Kirinyaga County, to continue being a shining example to the rest of the country. Thank you.
Today, our coming here was to come and congratulate Her Excellency for the way that she has handled tax matters, and it has been registered in our records that in terms of county category, this county is performing very, very well in terms of compliance, and even in terms of obeying and complying with the regulations of taxation. And for instance, like last financial year, the country was able to pay 518 million out of the resources that were disbursed to the county. So we were sent to come and compliment Her Excellency together with the county of Kirinyaga on the basis of compliance with the tax regulations. And this is something that is very, very important for the government at this particular time.